How has cancellation of removal changed for immigrants? If you are curious about how the cancellation of removal process has evolved for immigrants, you are not alone. Many families are navigating these changes, especially Latino families. Let's break down what has happened recently. Cancellation of removal is a legal option for immigrants facing deportation. It allows them to avoid removal and gain lawful permanent residency, commonly known as a green card. However, to qualify, there are specific requirements. Applicants must show continuous physical presence in the United States, good moral character, and prove that their removal would cause exceptional hardship to a qualifying relative who is a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. In recent years, changes in immigration policy have made it more challenging for many immigrants to qualify for this relief. One major change is the increase in enforcement actions. Immigration authorities are now moving faster to initiate removal proceedings after denying immigration benefits. This means that more immigrants find themselves in deportation proceedings, where they may seek cancellation of removal but face stricter scrutiny. Another significant change is the rise in application fees. Recent laws have increased the costs associated with filing for immigration relief, including cancellation of removal. This can be a barrier for low-income immigrants who may struggle to afford these fees. Additionally, the requirements for documentation have become stricter. Immigrants must now provide more detailed evidence of their continuous presence and good moral character. This can be especially difficult for those without legal assistance. Moreover, immigration judges have less discretion in granting cancellation of removal. Recent policies have narrowed the criteria judges can use, making it harder for applicants to succeed unless they meet very strict standards. Broader immigration enforcement measures also impact cancellation of removal. Expanded budgets for detention and removal, along with policies that restrict certain immigrants from applying for relief, affect eligibility and access. For Latino families, these changes highlight the importance of seeking legal advice early. Understanding eligibility and preparing strong applications is essential. Keeping thorough records that prove continuous residence and family ties can make a difference. It is also important to be aware of new fees and plan accordingly. Immigrants should understand that judges may apply stricter standards than before. If cancellation of removal is not an option, exploring alternative forms of relief is wise. While cancellation of removal remains a vital protection for many immigrants, the recent policy shifts have made it more difficult to obtain. Staying informed about current rules and consulting immigration legal services can help families navigate these challenges effectively.